We're ready.
Where we want to go is around near that point. We want to stay near the edge in case of a capsize. Well, we've stopped here in a bog.
Which way do you reckon?
God, this is a beautiful place. Jeez, I've taken on some water. Yay, we made it. You got to work hard to get to places like this. We're in this beautiful forest. There's one of the hammocks. G'day, Jen and I are on a kayak camping road trip. There's our kayaks. There's our road tripping thing called a car. And we're going out that way into the Myall Lakes, kayak camping for a couple of nights, 2 or 3. We're on a road trip for 2 weeks, so we're going to go take our kayaks lots of places on this road trip and camp at lots of places, in the kayaks, in the bush, wild camping, as well as car camping in the wagon. So we're at the Myall Lakes, a little town called Nerong. We're going to launch here and paddle down to tea gardens. Take a night or 2, 3, 4, depends what happens. We're pretty spontaneous, so our plans might change, but we'll have a look.
Hey.
So that's what we're doing. Alright, stay tuned and there'll be heaps of videos coming out later on. Alright, catch us, bye. Alright, well that took us ages to pack these fellows, but now they're packed and we think we got everything. Got enough water, food, all our supplies, warm gear and everything, so we think we got enough everything. So now let's hopefully we can get on the water and get moving and everything will be bloody good. Hey Jan?
Yep, we're ready.
Hey?
We're ready.
What are we?
What time is it? We're ready.
Well, we're out amongst it. We're looking for a place to wild camp, somewhere to camp. Looking at Google Maps, might have an idea about a few spots, but it's just a matter of seeing what we come across. Surely around this beautiful wilderness we'll find somewhere really nice. Alright, we've stopped and had a look at the map. Where we want to go, this is Myall Lakes, it's the Broadwater there. Where we want to go is around near that point. I think looking at Google Maps, there was, looked like potential campsite over there. So, it's only another couple of k's, and if it's a suitable spot, we'll be at camp. Actually, right here's a good spot too, but we want to get a bit further. So that's what we're going to do. It's pretty bloody choppy out here and we're getting broadsided. We want to stay near the edge in case of a capsize. Better to go to the edge if we capsize than capsize out in the middle. So for that reason we can broadside it. But we'll start heading directly into these waves soon. It'll be a little bit more stable. Looking for a spot to pull up for a break, get out of this wind for a bit and these waves. Might be something here on the lee side, but it looks like it's a bit shallow. It might be just a bloody swamp. Oh, it's a bit muddy.
There's a hole there.
It's a bog.
Oh. Do we want to get out here?
I don't know. Just for a rest maybe. Around the corner it's going to get all windy and stuff again.
Yeah.
But it's a bog.
Yeah, I can smell it.
I can pull you up. I'll pull you up so you don't have to fall in the bog.
Thanks.
Oh, it's a bog here too. Oh, that's a bog. I think you're going to get in the bog. Yep, she's all swampy here. It's not a camping spot. Whoop. Oh, she smells good too. There we go. Well, we've stopped here in a bog because when we go around that point we're going to get smashed by waves and wind again. But gee, this place is just amazing. Hardly changed at all. For millennia, probably.
Did you get wet?
It's just all total nature. Did I get wet? A few waves washed in, yeah. Nice.
Which was okay because
Yeah. Yeah, the weather's
So
good
wet,
for
though.
getting wet. It's getting wet weather. It's getting wet weather. Alright. Found a spot. Lovely. Melaleuca forest. Paperbark. Ancient. Wilderness. Oh, look in there.
thanks, Pete.
No workers, darling. Alright, we're going to go and head into this wind and find ourselves a campsite. So we'll get around this point, we'll get smashed by waves and wind. Hey Dan. reckon we try and go for the lee side, to the left of those things. Well, I don't know what those things are. It might be houseboats or something.
Something like that, yeah.
But I reckon we should camp on that, to the left of them.
Okay.
We should get some shelter there.
And go straight there?
Oh yeah.
Across or around?
Oh yeah, we can go across. What do you think? Are you confident to go across?
Probably.
I don't know if you can hear me because of all the wind, but we're going to try and get over to that point there and camp there in the lee side of the wind. So that's the plan. Sorry about the water all over the middle ends, but I haven't got time to clean it. So I'm trying to stay stable and balanced and paddle and not get blown back by the wind, so I haven't got time to clean it. Maybe this will work. Yeah, so hopefully we can find some shelter in the lee side of that point that's coming out. Set up camp there and then just chill out for the rest of the day. God, this is a beautiful place. Oh yeah, the houseboat. That's kind of where I wanted to go. I don't know if they're permanent or what. But anyhow, I'm over here and hopefully find a good spot. Well, she's calming down a bit. We're out of the wind. Still a bit of waves. Oh, it's getting nice. Cabbage tree palms. Often they'll be a sign of some good high and dry land. So hopefully we can find something nice here. This is nice.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Should be able to find something here if it's not too deep. Just in there, looks good. Alright, this looks pretty high and dry in here. It's not the perfect place to beach, but it's only knee deep. Or a bit more. That was pretty unelegant. Since I've taken on some water. Put both feet out one side of them. Rather than smothering it.
Not good at doing that.
Hey, we made it. Kayak's so full of water. Might have to wear our skirt next time. Look at that. A good extra 10 or 20 kilos in there. Well, we found a beautiful spot out of the wind. Cabbage tree palms, melaleuca, casuarinas or she oaks and paperbark. High and dry. Plenty of places to hang a hammock. Oh, it's just so beautiful in this forest. And it's out of the wind. Alright, so we're going to camp somewhere along here. We'll just find the ultimate spot, or maybe we're already in it. Jan's gone off for a walk to see What else is up the creek or something? There's a point out there. Be too windy and exposed out there, but this is just beautiful. Look at that. Holy dooly. You got to work hard to get to places like this when you're a kayaker. Man, so beautiful. What'd you find, Jan?
Nothing much better than, well, you know, this really.
Yep.
Because there is, but it gets windier the further you go.
Yeah, that's what I thought out the point.
And, you know, there's ferns and things that I don't want to
Trample.
step on.
Yeah. Yeah, well, just over there's pretty clear, and just here's pretty good too.
Yeah, I don't want to go much further that way.
Well, I mean just there. But anyhow. Alright, well we found an awesome spot. And we're going to set up in a while and crash out here tonight in this beautiful forest.
Yeah, tea tree and cabbage farm. And sheep.
She oak. And whatever those are. What a beautiful place. We might find some pythons. It's good python country by the looks of it. I love places like this.
I've already seen 3 birds I need to look up in the book.
Oh yeah. The bird watching's amazing too, by the sounds of it. Alright, well here we are. We haven't quite got camp set up. Having a chilled afternoon. There's the beautiful view we're looking at as the sun just went down, retired for the day. We'll see it again tomorrow. We're in this beautiful forest. There's one of the hammocks. Still yet to set up the other stuff. I'll show you in the morning. We'll have a look in the morning, eh Jan?
Yeah.
At camp.
Yeah.
Do you reckon?
Show you tomorrow.
Jan's looking at the weather on the phone for tomorrow. We might be in for rain tomorrow, Arvo. So we'll see how that goes. So we'll head down into the Myall River that's heading towards Tea Gardens tomorrow. That's the plan. Anyhow, we'll catch us later. Maybe tomorrow or maybe later tonight if there's something worthy of recording or what have you.